Hello guys, I am very happy today. We reach 100%, 102.26% from 31st January this year. Although Dow Jones is down from 31st of January till now. You see the difference? You see the difference between trading and investing? That's why I always tell my students, if you want some money, you can do investing, but if you want huge money, you should do trading. Here I show you just Dow Jones from 31st of January till now, where it is now, and where it is my account. So let's see. So this is Dow Jones, as you can see. Okay. So this is where is 31st January? Yes, 31st January. Dow Jones was $282. Okay, on Friday, 31st January. This is where we begin our trading account. 282. Now it is 272. Okay, for today. So what does it mean? It means that Dow Jones is still down from 31st of January. Okay? Now, our account is 102.26%. Just last week, our account was 90%. But this week was so strong. We have gap ups in Apple and Facebook. We have other stocks that are doing very good, and most of my stocks are for the long run. It means we are following the trends since the end of March, and I have showed you many times this thing. And this year is most of the stocks that I have are based on my training level 13. It means how to buy a stock from support line. There are techniques. Depends on the indexes, on the industries. And it's very easy to check. But you should just follow the rules. Okay? So, when we begin like with a zero, which is $100,000, 31st of January, in February, it was doing a little bit up, and then we have the problem. I will just explain to you what did happen. At least you have an idea. Now, so since we begin, let's see. I will show you this 31st. At least you will understand. Okay. So we begin here. Okay. Our account was doing a little bit good, and then here I sold all my stocks. I just, some techniques. I felt that the market is not good. On the 21st on Friday, February, I sold most of my stocks. You can check that. I am always long. Okay, I sold all my stocks, and then on the 24th of February, on Monday, I sold all the other stocks. And after that, I was shorting. I shorted a little bit here and there, until the market stops going down, and then it goes up. And then I begin to buy here and here and here accordingly. But our stocks are not doing just like Dow Jones. My stocks are called leaders. What does it mean, a leader? A leader is doing better than the index itself. And this, I have explained in training level 3, which is how to search for stocks using an industry index. Okay? There are some stocks that are doing better than the index. These are called the leaders. The leaders, it leads the industry. It means in each industry you find 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 stocks that are excellent. The others are just rubbish. Some they are average and some they are doing bad. It means they are going down. So it's not all the stocks in the same industry are doing the same. So since my experience, I am following trends since 2011. I have enough experience, and this is my job. This is what I do in my life. I just follow trends, and I follow the trends until they dry up. It means there is no more money coming from a stock. So when it's going down into a downtrend, I sell it and I find another stock. This is what I do. Okay? So, guys, if you want just to check from 31st of January with zero, my account was 100,000. Today, it is 102.26%. It means we double our money. And each week, just last week, I said we are at 90. I expect 100 this year. But it was very, very quick. We got 10% in these few days. Very, very quick. You know, all my stocks are good, so they continue to be good. And the basic thing I am doing here in my trading account is just I teach you how to trade stocks and to follow trends. So it's not just because of this year or next year or the other year. The main idea is how to manage your account, how to find this kind of stocks. So the stocks that we are doing, it's not only just some penny stocks you can manipulate. No, I am doing all kind of stocks. From Tesla, which is 1,400 a share, or 1,500, 1,700. We traded 700, we traded 500, we traded 200. We traded 100, $50, $20, $20, $10, $2. It means even $2 we have traded them. And I showed penny stocks for those who are interested, especially this year with drug companies that are doing excellent. Some of them are doing excellent. So I show many of these stocks and I show how to trade them because they are a little dangerous. That's why I don't buy too much of this small penny stocks. I buy little and I show you why and how. So guys, if you're interested, you can check golden subscription or silver subscription. Just try 1 month just to see how I trade. And this is an opportunity to discover what I am doing in real. Because always when you watch my videos on YouTube, you say this guy tells us, oh, he knows how to trade. But I am just showing you verified things. For example, if I buy a stock today, I will put video. It means there is no, I can't play with these stocks. How can I play with Zoom, for example, or Tesla? I can't. I have just a small account. I can't move any stock. But understand, even the small stocks, some they have like 100 million shares traded a day. Some are going, so it needs a lot of traders to move these kind of stocks. But for me, I show you all the stocks. At least it is a proof that my strategies work. In each mood of the market, I have strategy. When the market is going down, I have strategy. We have selling short. We are doing some stuff. If the market is doing good, I go long. And I have different kinds of strategies to buy stocks. I show them. Each week I give you a lesson, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I explain something very, very well in a simple way so that the people will learn from me. It doesn't mean that you should stay 1 year or 2 years with me. No, I am not here to cut you or to send you what we call stock picks and say, oh, these stocks will go up. No, I am not doing that. I show you how to search. I do it for myself. I show it to you. I buy stocks. You see them. They are going up. I have stocks now that are going up for 4 or 5 months. This is crazy. And this is happening each year. It's not just because of this year. Because trends are always in the market. Even in the bad market like 2008, I find some trends that are 3 months. And I showed the guy the stocks. And we have made a lot of money at that time. But this year, the market is strong. Everything is doing great. So try just to learn from me, especially this year. when things are great, you can make money. A lot of people are making money. My students always sending me emails of their trades, and I give them my opinion when they want to buy, or they begin to buy, or I say this is good, this is bad, this is not. Why you buy this? It means I am always criticizing my students, you know. And they criticize me if I break a rule. They say, "Oh, Karim, why you don't sell this? It's going down." You don't. So it's really nice to have a community of traders that works together. And most of the people who were following me, now they are good traders, and they send me their trades, and they ask me my suggestion, and I show them my trades. It means it's an excellent way to share stocks, to share things. But understand that for me, I have rules, so I don't play with rules. In order to apply the rules, you should practice. Okay? It means if you break the rules, you will lose money. That's it. There is nothing mystery or something. There are rules. Just buy here, sell here, don't buy here, hold here. That's it. Okay? These rules are very simple. Anyone without experience, he can learn, and this is very good. Whatever is your level. There's one of the guys who I don't see him for a long time. He told me, "Oh, this year I break even." I say, "How? We have made 100%. Well, why you don't come and join for 1 month and 2 months? You see what we are doing. You are mistaken. Send me your trades. I will show you what is wrong in your trades. Either you bought them too late, or you bought stocks so early, or you take profit very, very early. Like some people, today he buys, tomorrow it goes 1%, 2%. Oh, I'm happy, I'm having 2%, 5%. I am happy, I'm making money. I say you are not making money. When you make a stock, when you make 30%, 50%, 70%, you are making money. Okay? You are making money when you follow the trend. When you have all the trend money for you, because the market is giving you money because you are right. He gives you a reward. But if the stock is going against you and you hold, the market will punish you because you don't know how to trade. He tells you, "Okay, I'm going down. Exit today, tomorrow. Then we have a gap down. And then someone like of these guys, he sent me an email and say, "Oh, okay, Karim, I am 60% down in a stock." What? 60%? What do you do? I just wait, told me hold, and I see this guy who, CEO, he says that the company is doing great, and company? What's this company? Who is the CEO? Are we working? Are we trading because of the CEO, or because of the economy, or because of that guy or this guy? We are not. We are technical analysts. We are chartists. We see the chart and we work. If something is good, it means it is good. We see the money coming to us. You see it in the chart. I don't need someone to tell me where is the money. The money, I see it in the chart, not the profits of the company. Sometimes the company is losing money, but the stock is going up. I don't care. I don't care about the company, what does it do, or what he's doing. In real, for me, I see, are the people are buying, yes or no? This is what I'm thinking about. My money. I'm not thinking about the company itself. I don't own the company to worry about it. I worry just about the trend. If there is a trend, it is my friend. I'm making money. If there is no trend and there is volatility, you just be losing money. Okay? So thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't. Please share my video. And the most important thing, just to try 1 month in golden subscription. Just to try. Check. You can send me an email, ask questions as you like. And if you buy stocks, you can send me an email. You say, Karim, according to your strategy, I bought this and this. What do you think? I give you my opinion. If you have made something wrong, I will explain. If you are good, I say you are good. That's it. It means I'm here to help everybody. So don't stay there watching. Someone tells me, oh, maybe this year it is good, you have made money. If next year you do, I say, who tells you that we are going to be here next year? Maybe we die, maybe. And I have been trading since 2011 successfully. I don't care about you if you come or you don't come. It's, I'm helping you, not you are helping me. Okay? So don't change the subject. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, share my video, and try just to learn when it is time to learn. You don't lose any time or any money when you learn. Your education is so important. When you get the real picture, when you trade, you are not scared anymore. You are not scared when you trade. Because now, for example, you don't know how to trade. When you buy some stocks, you are scared at night. You say, oh, what if there is gap up? What if there is gap down? But when we trade, we don't care a lot about all these, because we have some techniques we use not to be trapped in that problems. And this you should learn. You don't find this on YouTube. I'm telling you, this is teaching, real teaching, and you see it in stocks. And you follow each week, you follow. You see our stocks going up. This is not something that it is done by luck. You can't do like you buy 100 stocks and you are making money and then you say luck. There is no luck here. Here there are rules and strategies. So try it. Thank you very much.